So, is it true that Argentinian people dislike British tourists for historical reasons? Now, some tourists from the UK do wonder about this question because of the history in the 1980s with Las Malvinas, as they say in Argentina, or in the UK, people call them the Falkland Islands. Obviously, Argentina and the UK were at war in the 1980s, and this is a very emotional and touchy subject for many people in Argentina because Las Malvinas are very, very important to the Argentinian people and the Argentinian identity. So is it true that British tourists receive xenophobia in Argentina because of these historical reasons? Now, I've been in Argentina for the last few weeks, and honestly, all the Argentinian people have been very, very friendly to me. Once I say that I'm from England, once I've said soy de Inglaterra, everyone's been very friendly, very kind. I honestly think that if you say to the Argentinian people when you're there that you're from England, I do not think you're going to receive any bad comments. In fact, I think people will be very friendly. They may want to talk to you about British culture, football, sport, that kind of thing. So you honestly should not get any bad comments. However, I would not bring up Las Malvinas or the Falklands. I don't think there's any need to. Again, it's a really emotional subject for people in Argentina. You don't need to bring it up. And if you do bring it up, you may be subject to some abuse, and you don't want that. Just don't talk about it. There's no need to talk about it. You're not going to win in a debate, so don't try and be smart and try and debate people. People are very upset about it, and still to this day, people are very proud of the islands, and they strongly believe that the islands are truly part of Argentina. So you should not bring it up. You should not discuss about it. Don't be stupid. Respect the Argentinian people. Respect that that is part of their culture, and I think people will be very, very friendly to you and very welcoming. Again, most people will talk about English culture, English football with you, rather than historical events. And also, if you are planning a trip to Argentina, you can go to the description of this video and also the comment section too. One of the links there will be a link to where you can actually purchase a tour of Buenos Aires city. Buenos Aires city is one of the best cities that I've been to in the world. It's a very lively city, good food, good nightlife. So there's a link in the description to where you can book a tour of the city, and there's also links to other travel products such as eSIMs. You can also get some travel insurance in the description too. There's a link to where you can book your flights with Skyscanner. So if you are looking to plan your trip to Argentina, use that link in the description to book your flights with Skyscanner. If you do need luggage and suitcases as well, go and check out that level 8 link because they sell and produce very high quality luggage, bags, backpacks, rucksacks. So do check those out. Lots of links in the comment section and description that may take your fancy, including that tour of Buenos Aires. So I do hope that you have enjoyed this video and found it useful, and I do hope that you do consider coming to Argentina because it is a very good country. It's a vast country, it's a big country, there's good cities, incredible nature, and I definitely recommend a trip to Argentina if you are from the UK and you do not need to worry about any xenophobia, racism. Just behave yourself, respect the culture, and you'll be absolutely fine, and people will be very, very friendly to you. So again, I do hope that you've enjoyed the video. If you have, click the like button, it really does help out the channel, and also subscribe for more travel content. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.